Before going to the next exercise, we will see the concepts in the exercise. Multiplication of fractions. See, 2 by 3 into 2 by 5. So here, numerator can be multiplied with the numerator, that is 4, and denominator with denominator, that is 15. See this here, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. 1 into 1 by 2 into 3, this is equals to 1 by 6. We can represent this as like this also. Okay, see this picture clearly. 1 by 2 of 1 by 3. Okay, totally how many parts? 3 parts are there. Okay, so 1 by 3. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. So 1 by 6 was colored. We can represent like this. See this one. Totally 5 parts of pizza. 2 parts were there. So 2 by 5. Here 1 by 2 is with one color and 2 by 5 is with one color. Okay. And for this, we can call this as 2 by 10 or also 1 by 5. Just simple fractions in generalized format. Multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Step 1, 1 by 2 is equals to 0.5. 0.5 into 1 is equals to 0.5. Okay. 0.5 into 0.5 is equals to 0.25 and 0.25 is equals to 1 by 4. Exercise 2.2. Which of the drawings A to D shows? We have to tell. Okay, we will see here. Two into 1 by 5 represents D. Okay, here we have two circles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 into 1 by 5 represents picture D. Okay, next 2 into 1 by 2 represents part B, because we have two squares. Okay, and half of them were filled with color or shaded with color. So 2 into 1 by 2. Next, this one, how many pictures are there? 3. 3 circles are there. 3 into 2/3. 2/3, see here, 2 parts and 2 parts were shaded. So 3 circles into 2 by 3 represents the drawing A. And finally see, 3 into 1 by 4, we have 3 squares. Each square is having 4 blocks, out of which only 1 block was shaded. That means 1 by 4. So 3 into 1 by 4 represents drawing C. Okay, some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show this one. See, 3 into 1 by 5. See this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts of the square and 3 squares we have. So 3 into 1 by 5 is equals to 3 by 5 represents figure C. And 2 into 1 by 3. Okay. See this one. Picture A. 2 into 1 by 3. 2 circles we have, of which, see this one, 2 by 3. Totally we have 3 parts and 2 were shaded. So 2 by 3 represents figure A. and 3 into 3 by 4. See here, how many are there? Triangles. 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles are there. Okay, of which 4 were colored. This is 3 into 3 by 4. 3 by 4th of this one are colored. This one, and this one. So, this represents figure B. Okay. Next, multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. Okay. First question, 7 into 3 by 5. That means 7 into 3 is 21 by 5. If you can divide 21 with 5, 4 here and 1 is the remainder. 4 is the coefficient, 1 is the remainder. Okay, so 4 of 1 by 5 is the mixed fraction. Next one, 4 into 1 by 3, that is 4 by 3. If you can divide 4 with 3, it will become as 1 by 3, 1 of 1 by 3. Third one, 2 into 6 by 7, that is 12 by 7. If you can divide 12 with 7, that is 1 into 7 is 7. 12 minus 7 is equals to 5. So 1 of 5 by 7. Next, 5 into 2 by 9, that is 10 by 9. If you can divide 10 with 9, that becomes 1 of 1 by 9. Next problem, 2 by 3 into 4, that is 8 by 3. If you can divide 8 with 3, okay, we will get the remainder 2. That means 2 of 2 by 3. Next problem, 5 by 2 into 6, that is 30 by 2. 2 cancels 30 15 times. Okay. Next, 11 into 4 by 7, that is 44 by 7. If you can divide 44 with 7, we will get the remainder 2. That means 6 of 2 by 7. Next one, 20 into 4 by 5. 20 into 4 is equals to 80 by 5. 5 cancels 80 16 times. This is equals to 16. Ninth problem, 13 into 1 by 3 is equals to 13 by 3. If you can divide 13 with 3, we will get the remainder 1. So the result is 4 of 1 by 3. Next one, 15 into 3 by 5. Okay, 15 into 3 is 45 by 5. 5 cancels 45 9 times. So the result is 9. This is how we are going to simplify the problems. Fourth question, shade 1 by 2 part of the circles in box A. Okay, totally how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So half of the circle, that means 1 by 2 into how many circles? 12. So 2 cancels 12 6 times. So 6 circles to be shaded. Okay. Next, 2 by 3 of the triangles. Same. How many triangles are there? 9 triangles. So 2 by 3 into 9, that is 3 cancels 9 3 times. 2 into 3 is 6 triangles are to be shaded. Next, 3 by 5 of the squares. So how many squares are there? 15 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 3 by 5 of 15. 3 by 5 into 15. 5 cancels 15 3 times. 3 into 3 is equals to 9 square. So 9 squares are to be shaded. Okay. Here 9 squares are to be shaded. Find 1 by 2 of 24. That means 1 by 2 into 24. That is 2 cancels 24 12 times. Next, 1 by 2 of 46. 2 cancels 46 23 times. 23 into 1, 23. Next, 2 by 3 of 18. 2 by 3 into 18 is equals to 3 cancels 18 6 times. 2 into 6 is equals to 12. Next, 2 by 3 of 27. 2 by 3 into 27 is equals to 3 cancels 27 9 times. 9 into 2, which is equals to 18. 3 by 4 of 16. 3 by 4 into 16. 4 cancels 16 4 times. 3 into 4 is equals to 12. Next, 3 by 4 of 36. 3 by 4 into 36. 4 cancels 36 9 times. 9 into 3 is 27. Next problem, 4 by 5 of 20 is equals to 4 by 5 into 20. 5 cancels 24 times. 4 into 4, 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. Next, 4 by 5 of 35 is equals to 4 by 5 into 35. 5 cancels 35 7 times. 7 into 4 is equals to 28. Sixth problem. Multiply and express as mixed fraction. 3 into 5, 5 of 1 by 5. This we can write it as 5 into 5, 25 plus 1, 26 by 5. That means 3 into 26 by 5 is equals to 78 by 5. When 78 multiplied with 5, we will get 3 as remainder. So 15 of 3 by 5 is the mixed fraction. Next, problem B. 5 into 6 of 3 by 4. Okay, we can convert this as 6 into 4, 24, plus 3, 27 by 4. So this is 5 into 27 by 4. If you can multiply 5 into 27, 135 by 4. This 135 can be divided with 4. We will get the remainder as 3. Therefore, 33 of 3 by 4 is the result. Next problem. 7 into 2 of 1 by 4. This can be written as 2 into 4, 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. That is 7 into 9 by 4. We can say it as 7 into 9, 63 by 4. If you can divide 63 with 4, we get the remainder 3. So 15 of 3 by 4 is the result. 4 into 6 of 1 by 3 is equals to, we can rewrite this as 6 into 3, 18 plus 1, 19 by 3. 4 into 19 is equals to 76 by 3. If you can divide 76 with 3, we will get 1 as remainder. So 25 of 1 by 3 is the result. 3 of 1 by 4 into 6. We can rewrite this as 3 into 4, 12 plus 1, 13 by 4 into 6. Okay, 2 cancels 4 2 times and 6 in 6 it cancels 3 times. So 13 into 3 is 39 by 2. If 39 is going to divide with 2, the resultant remainder is 1. So 19 and a half is the result. Question F. 3 of 2 by 5 into 8. We can rewrite this one as 3 into 5, 15 plus 2, 17 by 5 into 8. If you can multiply 17 into 8 is equals to 136 by 5. 136 divides with 5, we will get the remainder as 1. So we can write this as 27 of 1 by 5. Find 1 by 2 of these two numbers. That means 1 by 2 of 2 of 3 by 4. We can rewrite this 2 of 3 by 4 as 4 into 2 plus 3. That means 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. 1 by 2 into 11 by 4. That is numerator multiplied with numerator, denominator multiplies with denominator. So that it is 11 by 8. Also we can write it as 1 of 3 by 8. Next one, 1 by 2 of 4 of 2 by 9. That is 1 by 2 into 4 into 9, 36 plus 2, 38 by 9. Okay, 2 cancels 38 19 times, so 19 by 9. Also we can write it as 2 of 1 by 9. Question number 8. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. So the question is, how much water did Vidya drink? Water consumed by Vidya is 2 by 5 of 5 liters. That means 2 by 5 into 5, which is equals to 2 liters. Okay. And water consumed by Pratap is 5 minus 2, this is equals to 3 liters. Okay. Second question is, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? The Pratap drinks, the fraction of water consumed by Pratap is 3 by 5. Totally we have 5 liters and here he has consumed 3 liters. So the fraction is 3 by 5 liters. With this we have completed this exercise. Thank you.